Good morning, dear children, and welcome to mathematics class, dear children. Dear children, if you remember, last time we have studied about the different types of lines. How many types of lines were there, children? Two types, that were curved line and straight line, children. Today we will study some shapes which contain the straight line, children, and also we will study the shapes which contain curved line. So there are total 6 plane shapes which contain straight line as well as curved line. So children, the first shape is triangle, second one is square, third one is oval, fourth one is rectangle, and the fifth one is circle. So these are the 5 different shapes which we will study today. To know which are in curved line and how many curved lines they contain, and which contain straight line and how many straight lines are available in each plane shape. Now children, first of all we will study what are plane shapes. Flat shapes are called plane shapes. Flat shapes means the shapes which contain straight line, or plane shapes means nothing. Plane shapes are also called as, children, 2D shapes. So children, 2D shapes are also called as plane shapes. Now children, one by one we will study. First of all, we will study which shape is this, children. Can you tell me which shape is this? Which shape is this, children? So this is triangle. Now children, we will count how many sides are available in this triangle shape. Now if you will see, there are total 3 straight lines available in triangle shape, children. 1, 2 and 3. So children, a triangle is made up of 3 straight lines. See children, the straight lines can be anything. That is, the slanting line is also called as straight line. This is one straight line and this is sleeping line. Now children, in this triangle shape, if you will see, there are total how many straight lines, children? 3. First one, 1, then 2, and this one is last one down, that is 3. So the triangle contains 3 straight lines. Triangle, here how many lines are there in triangle, children? A triangle is made up of 3 straight lines. How 3 straight lines? You have to count these straight lines. 1, 2 and 3. Now the shape and the name of the figure is triangle, and this shape is called as plane shapes or 2D shapes. Now we will move on second flat shape, and the second flat shape, children, which we will study, that is rectangle. See how the big rectangle that your teacher had made for you. So this is rectangle, children. How many sides are there in rectangle, children? Not sides. How many straight lines are there in rectangle, children? 4. 1, 2, 3. The down one is 3 and this one is 4. So rectangle is also made up of 4 straight lines, and this rectangle is used when you are using the drawing book. So drawing book, when you draw the picture or when you color the picture, so in that drawing book, the drawing book is made up of rectangle shape. And how many lines rectangle shape contains, children? 4 straight lines. From where you will start the counting? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now see, now I will show you the picture. This is the rectangle. You will count the lines 1, 2, 3 and 4. A rectangle is made up of 4 straight lines. Now children, we will move to the third shape, and the third shape which contains straight line is square. Now children, this is a square. See, are you able to see this square shape? Yes, your teacher had made one square shape. Okay, now if you will see, there are some differences in square shape and rectangle shape. If you will see, the square shape is not so much big. It is smaller than rectangle, and rectangle is bigger than square. Now in this square shape children, you will be able to see how many sides are there in square, means how many straight lines are there in square shape. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again, the square contains 4 straight lines, means a square is made up of 4 straight lines. Now we will see the picture of square. Square. Now you will check again here how many straight lines are there in square shape. 1, 2, 3 and 4, means the square is made up of 4 straight lines. Now the fourth shape children which we will study, that is circle. Do you like circle children? Yes. When we are purchasing the choco pie from the market, we like to eat choco pie. Yes children, you like to eat choco pie? Yes, we like to eat choco pie. We like to eat burger. We like to eat this one circle smile. We will get frames of smiley. Is it? So all these things are in circle shape. So the things which are in circle shape, they are formed not by the straight line. They are formed by curved line. From what they are formed by? They are formed by curved line. Curved lines are the lines which are not straight, which are something different from the straight line. This is a curved line. They doesn't have any name. They are different things like the thread, like the wool at your home, like the chakli which you eat in Diwali. So they are not straight. If you will see, they are in the form of curve. So curved lines. Now children, we will see the circle shape. Let me show you the circle shape. See, I have made one circle for you, and this circle is nothing but the circle which doesn't contain any straight line, which is made up of curved line. Circle doesn't have any straight line, keep in mind. So circle contains straight line. Circle contains curved line children. How many curved lines are there in circle? See, it is a total 1 curved line. If you will see, if you will start from the top, if you will come from right, again go, you will complete one circle. So this is 1 curved line. Again you will make another circle inside the bigger circle, that is second curved line. Again you will make one circle inside the another circle, that is 3 curved line. But we here in this figure, we have made only 1 curved line. That's why circle is made up of 1 curved line. Now we will see the PPT. Circle. A circle is made up of 1 curved line. If again one circle is drawn inside this circle, again one circle is drawn inside this circle, so you will count the lines, count the circles, how many circles are there. That many curved line you will write. But if it is only 1, so you will write 1. If 2 circles are there, you will write 2. If 3 circles are there, you will write 3. Now the last shape children which we will study, and that is oval. Do you know How is this oval shape? Oval shape is nothing but the egg which you eat, that comes in oval shape. Egg doesn't comes in circle shape. If you have the egg at your home, you can check the shape of the oval. Or this is an oval shape, children. I have made this oval shape for you children here. Now in this oval shape, children, you will be able to see again one only curved line, because in this oval shape again inside no other lines are there. So this is one oval shape. One, it is means it is made up of one curved line. Again, if inside one oval is drawn, so we will write it is made up of two curved lines. Now oval shape is made up of one curved line. Now we will see this PPT presentation of oval. If you will see here, it is made up of only one curved line, and oval is made up of one curved line. So children, today we have studied about all the basic shapes and the shapes which contain curved line. Let's revise one time. The basic shapes are rectangle, square, triangle. And which are the shapes which contain curved lines, children? That is oval and circle. So we have studied the definition of plane shapes. Plane shapes are nothing but the shapes. Straight lines, flat shapes are called as plane shapes. What are plane shapes, children? Flat shapes are called as plane shapes. So children, this is all about today's topic. You practice the picture to be drawn by making use of one shape. Maybe you can draw one house, so that you can make use of these all basic shapes. Or you can draw any drawing which contain all these 5 shapes. So till then, practice how to draw the figure, practice to write the correct spelling, practice to count how many straight lines are available in the figure and curved lines are available in the figure. Till then, take care. Bye bye children.